Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you want your watch to guide you, not just track you. So here is how to set training targets in Garmin Connect so your workouts have a purpose. I'm talking here about how to actually set the training targets in this new version of the app Garmin Connect in 2026. So we're gonna go through all of this, we're gonna go through all of the settings, so let's get started. Well, first we have the two types. There are two ways to set targets. So let's say for a specific workout, for example, all we're gonna do is open your device, make sure you're fully connected to the internet, and tap on Garmin Connect to open the app. It's time now to log in using your email address and password. Then go open the activity in your calendar. For example, you are on this calendar, you will be able to see many activities. Tap the three dots, then tap Edit Target. Choose pace, heart rate, or even power. Then set your range and tap on Save. For your watch's daily suggestions, basically, this is automatic. Once you add a race event, Garmin creates a daily targets based on that goal. So you're gonna ask me how would I basically join this type of race event? All you're gonna do is tap on this three dot menu or more, then go all the way to training and planning. You can basically also access this from this list, races and events. Then go find an event or even create one of your own. So for your watch daily suggestions, as I told you before, all we're gonna do is this, then add a race for daily targets. Tap on more, training and planning, races and events, then add your race. So basically you should add your name, date, distance, and even the goal time. Save this and synchronize it with your device. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.